somebody was kind enough at my local food pantry to go ahead and make meal kits out of things from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. So everybody was able to grab one of these kits, and what I chose was chicken dinner in a bag. Let me show you the ingredients that it comes with. Stuffing mix, two, looks like lower sodium gravy mix, things of mashed potatoes. Oh, this little note. From my kitchen to yours, wishing you warmth, nourishment, and hope today. Oh, some canned chicken breast and a can of green beans. Here are the mashed potatoes according to the package, and then spread on the bottom of the casserole dish. Here's the casserole dish I'll be using. There, it's a lot of mashed potato. This is probably gonna be a big casserole. Spread it out on the bottom. And then the next thing you're supposed to do is drain the can of green beans, just dump it on top. Now what we are doing is we are opening up this can of chicken. We are going to shred it, and we're also going to keep the juice, apparently, for the next step. I'm going to dump it in here, and then I'm going to shred it. Okay. That's pretty good. And then we got the juices left over, just like the recipe suggests to do. Smooth this out on top. Here goes the gravy. Put this on the stove, and I think that we need to make up the stuffing too, using the chicken juice left over from the canned chicken. This part is really odd to me, using the juice from that canned chicken to make the stuffing, but you know what? Why not? Why not? Need a little bit more water. What else do we need? A quarter cup of butter. I don't have butter at the moment. I got this from the food pantry. Looks good to me. I'm off to melt this. And cranberries, if desired, dried cranberries. Not really in the mood. This is definitely not something I've ever made before. Never thought about making before, and is incredibly cheap. I'm very excited for whomever decided to go ahead and make these meal kits. I mean, bravo to you. I guess I better go check on all my stuff on the stove. This is the stuffing mix. Hot butter, hot water, and hot chicken juice. I have decided not to add any seasonings or spices to this entire Dollar Tree meal. And the reason is I just wanted to taste it without any add-ons. And now I'm just gonna dump this brown gravy all over it. Just kind of making sure it all gets covered. We are gonna do the exact same to this stuffing. I'm just trying to bump it up just a little bit, because the stuffing is the top layer. Okay. Time to clean.